Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best pruning shears in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Felco F Classic Manual Hand Pruner. The Swiss company Felco makes an amazing bypass pruner. Each blade is a high-quality hardened steel blade that's built to cut easily. Easily sharpened, they make quick work of whatever you need to cut through. Lightweight handles are dipped in a slightly cushioned plastic material that is easy to hang on to. Further, the bumper is cushioned to offer shock absorption and reduce strain when you close the blades. Slightly ergonomic in shaping, the handles provide maximum force with minimal effort. I consider these to be the best pruners out there, without question. Made the same way for over 50 years, Felco's hand pruner is used worldwide by professionals and amateurs alike. They are easy to maintain, can be micro-adjusted to adjust for blade wear over the years, and will last you for a lifetime. These are truly some of the best garden shears on the market today, and it's worth the money you'll spend. Number 2. Our second best pick is Felco F6 Classic Pruner for smaller hands. The premium pruning clippers are constructed of forged aluminum handles and hardened steel blades. All pruner components can be replaced in this dependable model. The garden scissors have a revolving handle for extra comfort, and they are suitable for every type of pruning with an ergonomically designed cushion shock absorber that softens the cutting impact. The pruner features a rotating handle for increased comfort. This bypass pruner offers a large cutting capacity and well-balanced weight for optimal gardening. This high-performance pruner features a wire cutter for small wires and a sap groove to minimize the blade sticking. Hardened steel blade and screw-mounted anvil blade ensure reliably clean, precise cuts. Narrow-pointed anvil blade allows easy access to twiggy branches and assures a close cut to the trunk. The Swiss-made plant cutter is optimal for medium-sized hands. The small branch trimmer has a 7.7-inch, 195mm length, 0.79-inch, 20mm cutter diameter, and has a 0.46-pound, 210-gram weight. Key features: ideal pruner for small pruning work such as grapevines, shrubs, and young trees. Made for smaller hands. Lightweight metal handles. Blades are made of high-quality hardened steel and have a 0.8-inch cutting capacity. Number 3. Our third best pick is Happy Hydro Titanium Coated Trimming Scissors. Traditionalists in the art of bonsai will appreciate something which looks more like an older style of bonsai shears. However, these have an added benefit which stems from a more modern world. Stainless steel blades provide strength, but the titanium coating over the steel ensures that even sticky stone pine sap can be easily cleaned from their surface. In addition, there's a soft rubberized padding inside the handle which eases fatigue. The springless action of these is unlike most other shears which we are featuring today. This is meant to reduce hand strain. And the short blades of the scissors allow you to easily trim delicate leaves or slender branches. For those who engage in the art form of miniaturization, these are a godsend. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fiskars Professional Bypass Pruning Shears. Ergonomic handles are just the start for this pair of bypass pruners. Adjustable blade tension makes it so you can fine-tune and control your cutting force and precision. A sap groove clears away sticky material with ease, enabling you to keep working despite oozing branches. Able to cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter, Fiskars professional blades can be easily replaced when they wear down. They're comfortable in your hands and will make your job go smoothly and easily. Key features: ideal for cutting stems and light branches. Blade tension can be adjusted to your hand strength and the materials you're cutting. Angled cutting head reduces wrist fatigue and makes it easy to prune at awkward angles. Maximum cutting capacity, 1 inch diameter. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Hydrofarm HGPP 400C Precision Curved Blade Pruners. The curved blade on these pruning snips allows you to effortlessly harvest flowers in quick succession. Get the perfect cut each and every time by simply exerting light pressure on the grip. The pointed tips allow you to get easily between leaves and stems to easily trim out the exact one that you want. Surgical stainless steel blades are easy to sterilize and to keep clean so that you don't have to worry about spreading plant diseases. These come with a handy holster, making it a breeze to have them available at a moment's notice. Ideal for use with hydroponics grows or in a traditional garden, these snips are the perfect thing for a quick and easy trim and are a great choice. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.